we'll guide you through how to restore files from the Dropbox Recycle bin. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in to your account. Look towards the left side of your screen and click on the Deleted Files tab, which is usually located at the left-hand menu. Click on it. This will take you to a page where you can see all the files that have been deleted within the last 30 days. Browse through the list to find the file or folder you want to restore. When you've found it, hover over the file and you'll see a Restore button appear on the right side. Click on Restore and your file will be returned to its original location in your Dropbox. If you have several files to recover, you can select multiple files by clicking the checkboxes next to each file name, and then simply click Restore at the top of the list. It's important to note that files in the recycle bin are only kept for 30 days, so make sure to restore them before they're permanently deleted. And that's it. Your files should now be back and accessible in your Dropbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.